Hey everyone! My next video is not quite ready yet, so here's a quick behind the scenes of my last video. This video was based on a comment my brother Brian made over 10 years ago. What if Aragorn wasn't ready to block Eowyn's sword? Every time I watch The Two Towers, this joke comes to mind, and since I already had the Meduseld interior built, I decided to turn it into a quick video. This video features a lot of really subtle movement. These were accomplished by popping off the character's arms and then reattaching them with clay. I would then reach in with a toothpick and just tap the arms, one frame at a time, to achieve maximally minuscule motions. In past videos, I would often composite live-action fire elements into my shots, but recently, I have started using brick elements lit up by brick stuff lights, which I think looks really beautiful, especially when shot with a shallow depth of field. However, this is a lot more time consuming because I have to move each fire piece every single frame. For locked off shots with a long runtime, I will often only animate about a second's worth of the fire moving. I will leave the fire pieces static unless a character is walking close to it, at which point I will animate the fire again until the character is gone. In After Effects, I loop the footage of the moving flame element and composite it over the portions where the flame is static, saving me hours of needlessly moving the same pieces over and over and over and over again. And by moving the fire when characters are close to it, I don't have to worry about rotoscoping them into the looping flame footage. After years of using the same Aragorn figure for animation, his torso finally broke. I took advantage of this breakage to really sell the animation of Eowyn slashing him open, and then glued the figure back together when the video was done. The Eowyn figure was a custom build, using the legs and backwards torso of Luke Skywalker from the 2019 Advent Calendar, the arms from Alice in Wonderland, and a hairpiece from LEGO Friends. The face and sword were both custom elements that were sent to me from Firestar Toys. They also sent me a really awesome Faramir and armored Eowyn figure that I plan to use in upcoming videos. You can purchase these for yourselves from the links in the description. And if you use the code BHMovies15 at checkout, you'll get 15% off your order while helping support my channel. I hope you picked up some helpful tips from this video, and I hope you're looking forward to my upcoming animations. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep animating.